MyPrintCenter, printing from your personal device in the Learning Center. MyPrintCenter is used at Lone Star College to print documents from a student's personal device. Students can add money to their print account using a debit card, credit card, or PayPal in MyPrintCenter. How to access MyPrintCenter. Type myprintcenter.lonestar.edu into the address bar of a web browser, or click on MyPrintCenter on the Lone Star College Kingwood Library webpage. For this site, your username is your Lone Star College email address in lowercase. Your password is the same password that you use to sign into your Lone Star College email or My Lone Star. To upload your document, click on the Upload icon. The cost column shows you how much it will cost to print the document. At the bottom, My Funds indicates the amount of money you have in your account. If you need to add funds, click Add Funds, and you can pay with a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Documents uploaded into MyPrintCenter default to black and white. To print in color, select the document. Print options are now enabled, allowing you to make print changes to your document, including printing the document in color. Be aware that if you change to color printing, your cost will also change. Please note that the East Aldine Center Library currently only has black and white printing. To print in color, please visit the Lone Star College North Harris or Kingwood campus libraries. Thank you.